finishing up covering an event in Berlin, I decided to go over to the Berlin Zoo. Now, we're using the Pixel 9 Pro XL as a test device to be able to check out how the cameras work. I was originally going to do a travel vlog, but I feel like this is more of a focused experience. It's a specific spot inside of Berlin that should give us a good experience of how the cameras, the video, the exposure, and everything that needs to be experienced through the cameras should be performing. And of course, we're going to do front-facing, rear-facing, all sensors on this device. Let me know what you guys think, but let's go ahead and dive into the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Now, I do want to jump in here real quick and give you guys a quick, I guess, BTS information. The entire video that you're watching here was shot on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. All the images, all the photos are all shot at the Berlin, at the Berlin Zoo, with the exception of this one. I'm actually somewhere else right now as I'm editing this content, and I'm sharing with you guys a little bit of information. Also, I'm going to be editing it, as I mentioned, editing all on the device, and I'm going to upload it straight to YouTube. And all of the audio was recorded with the microphones. So any processing of the audio was done using Google's functional options, again, like the audio cleanup, as well as the night sight, I guess, video boost that we're showing here from the zoo. All of those were done on device because these are things that come with your Pixel device. So I'm hoping that this shows you guys how well this device can perform. And with the exception of the thumbnail that was recorded or taken with the V3, because I was covering that event at the time, again, everything is on device, and I really like that. Okay, so without further ado, let's get back to the footage. So one of the things I'll probably say is the experience on Pixel this year is very much doubling down on what we love about it. And that's the simplicity of this camera system. And I mean, taking the phone out of your pocket, snapping a picture without even having to think about it, other than maybe doing a tap on the actual subject just to make sure that they're in focus, is the essence of what a Pixel is nowadays. Video has received quite a bit of an improvement over years before. I'll say that I've been shooting at 4K 60. I'm actually recording this at 4K 60. The introduction clip that I shot for you guys, the original clip was very loud. There was a lot of noise in the background. And the audio enhancement function in the edit section allowed me to basically get that focus experience. And I'm hoping that you guys obviously were able to see that when I did that comparison. I flipped the audio on and off a couple of times. But what we're looking at here essentially is the improvements of what we have from the Pixel team and what we're seeing here. Overall, the Pro side, the 9 Pro XL and the 9 Pro have the most features of all the cameras or all the devices that were launched. The Fold doesn't have all of the features yet, although it has the Pro moniker into it. And of course, what we got here with the standard one is just the standard 9 that you expect from Google. Images come up really nice. Zooming in at the 5x has been actually really, really good. And even going beyond that, you have the ability of doing that sharpening function that allows you to actually get even more details. Now, it's a little bit, I would say, too processed sometimes, but it still looks good if you got an image that was maybe a little bit too fuzzy because of either a blurry lens or something. But it's something to keep in mind and enjoy the cameras that we have here. hope is that you guys are enjoying some of those images and videos that we shot here at the Berlin Zoo, as well as Berlin Aquarium, which seems to be part of the zoo as well. The main experience overall, it's a solid camera. Video has definitely gotten a lot of improvement. There's obviously what we have now is night sight video that's also there, so in case you want to be able to shoot in really low light experiences. But the zooming capabilities, even when I'm going beyond the 5x that we have on the standard camera, has been really very nice. So I will say this, performance not going to disappoint. If you go with the Pro Series, this is exactly what you should expect. And even on a nice sunny day and a lot of colors and a lot of different experiences. What I will say is most of my images, when I've gotten them out of the camera, I've had to go into the settings section and turn on maybe vibrant. For some reason, I feel like the colors were not as boosted. It's more closer to reality. So that's more the experience when you're getting some of these images. Like what we get with Samsung and some of the other manufacturers, they like to do a little bit more color boosting for more social media ready. Here, you're gonna get more closer to natural, tones and colors and so on. So as long as you're expecting that and that's what you'd like, this is going to definitely make sure that you guys are happy with that. So let me know in the comments below what do you guys think of the brand new Pixel 9 Pro XL. Again, this is the XL model. The 9 Pro should perform just the same hardware on both the cameras, mostly just a smaller form factor. This is TK. Thank you very much for the support. Like and subscribe as usual, and I will see you in the next video.